Next problem. Same deal. What is our x? Put in that equal sign and begin with whatever x is. Here's the problem. We have gentamicin, 2 milligrams per kilogram per dose IV every 8 hours. We were told that we have gentamicin 40 mg in a 1 ml vial. This will be interesting. Then it tells you to dilute the med into 50 mLs of normal saline and infuse it over 30 minutes. So this one isn't one single formula. This one is a multiple kind of formula deal. And what we need to do is we need to do mg per dose first, then our ml per dose, then finally figure out our mLs to the hour. Okay, so here we go. Number 1, our mg per dose. And it told us that we needed to give 2 mgs per kg per dose. And it told us that our child weighed 40 kgs. 40 kgs. So kgs are gone. We have mgs per dose. 2 times 40 is 80. Well, that one was simple. All right, now we have to figure out how many mLs per dose, because we have that little vial, right? So we had 1 ml, had 40 mgs in it, times the 80 mgs that we need per dose, means we're pulling out 2 mLs. All right, now it said put the 2 mLs in a 50 ml bag of normal saline. The rule of 10 mLs. If what you have to add to an IV bag is less than 10 mLs, you do not need to count it in the IV flow rate. Okay? So in this case, 2 mLs is less than 10. So we don't actually need that volume added to our final calculation. So here we are. We need to know mLs to the hour. So we had 50 mLs running in at 30 minutes. And we need ml to the hour. So we need our 60 minutes up here and our 1 hour down there. And we end up getting 100 mLs to the hour. Now that might all seem a little confusing, so let me just give you one more visual. Once again, we had a vial over here that had 1 ml, 40 milligrams of gentamicin. But what it told us to do was to put it into an IV piggyback of 50 mLs of normal saline. So you figured out that you needed 2 mLs. So 2 mLs came out of this vial. You injected it into this bag. Then you hooked this bag into the main IV line. And you put this on a pump at 100 mLs to the hour. And over 30 minutes, it infused into the main IV line into the patient. Okay? And again, the rule of 10 is if what you have to pull out of a vial is less than 10 mLs, you do not need to count it in the volume of the IV piggyback. Had this been 10 mLs that we had to pull out and put into the IV piggyback, then we would have made our calculation at 60 mLs. But because it was less than 10 mLs, you can just go ahead and count it as the 50 ml bag running at 100 mLs to the hour. Okay, good luck with all of this.